I'm a little surprised by how often I get this question, considering everything is pretty much at our fingertips when you hit a search engine online. But I'm frequently asked where to get a process server badge. And I think it's because I give one away for free with my Investigator's Ultimate Guide to Process Serving. So then the question is, Larry must know where to get these things. And yeah, I get them, and I get them in a certain quantity so that I have them available to offer as a gift with purchase, a free with purchase. They're $30 retail, but you get them for free if you get the Investigator's Ultimate Guide to Process Serving. But if you just need the badge, then you can get it at firstdefendertacticalgear.com, which I know is a long name, but it's a good badge. It's if you've seen them, if you've gotten one, then you know it's a metal badge. It's got that heft and weight. It's not some cheap little toy. It comes permanently mounted in the holder, and it's very neat. And I wonder if I see. Can you see that? How it's flat? It's recessed into the holder. It doesn't snag or catch on your clothing, your jacket, wherever you're wearing it. It comes with that 30-inch dog tag chain, so you can wear it around your neck. You tuck it into your shirt when you don't need it. When you need it, you pull it out and you wear it. It's got a hook and loop. If you've got headphones on, watch yourself for a second. It's got this hook and loop closure on it. And so if you want to take the dog tag chain off and just wear it on your belt, you just put it on your belt and you can seal it right up there. It's not going anywhere. Really nice. And last but not least, it's not designed for this, but I've discovered that you can carry it in your jacket pocket as well. So, can't see it there. You wear it in your jacket pocket, tuck the chains away, just like that, or take the chains off completely. And then when you don't need it, you just tuck it away, out of sight, like that. So it's a very good badge. I like it a lot. Very professional. It says right on there that it's an official process server. So if you are serving process for the courts, and if you know how to do this, if you're serving process for private attorneys who have authorized these things through the courts, then this can be a very handy tool. It's a lot like, it's a tool though, right? It's like a power saw. If you don't know how to build furniture and someone just hands you a power saw, you cut your fingers off with it. If you know what you're doing and you think a badge would be a valuable tool to add to your toolbox, and it's legal and authorized in your place, then you can get one over at firstdefendertacticalgear.com. They are $30, $29.95, something like that. And if you get one there, then yes, I do get a little bit of money from that as well. So, full disclosure, but you know me, I don't endorse things and I just can't recommend stuff, but these I can. These are good, solid, and very official, very impressive looking. On those occasions you do have to use them, and really that's what you need, is you need something to help easily identify you and the authority that's been vested in you by the courts, by nature of the fact that a judge has appointed you as a process server on a case. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. I'll answer them for you, or go over to firstdefendertacticalgear.com and take a look at what they've got over there for you. They've got this badge. It's very nice. In the meantime, this is Larry Kaye with shadowanyone.com saying, remember, do the right thing, even if it's the hard thing.